Okay, we're going to do a drive shaft and exhaust check, make sure nothing's loose, find out where this rattle's coming from. So we've got the ramps all set up, now we'll get the car up. Okay, got the car up on the ramps. Now let's get under and do a checkup. Okay, the flex disc at the diff doesn't look too bad. We're going to have to try and turn it somehow. A little bit of back play, that's probably normal. But we need to get these covers off so we can get to the centre bearing. And then we'll check the front one, so we'll get those off. They're all just got screws here, little nut things here, so we'll undo those and get that out. Okay, the covers are out. Came out pretty easy, although I do not have the second cats on this car anymore. And there's the universal joint, that seems to be okay. The rubber boot seems to be pretty good. And the rubber mount, and up here, it's hard to see. There's a little bit of movement in it. It seems to be a fairly soft rubber. It doesn't seem to be broken. Okay, this is the front one. As you can see, there's the part number 12941100015, and it's looking in pretty good condition. No looseness, no cracking.